My name is Chanchal Koram. I am from class 7th. Our project name is Air Quality Monitoring Project. I introduce Air Quality Monitoring Project. Air Quality Monitoring Project is the presence to detect the harmful gases or pollution in the air and assess condition be like human beings, animals and environmental safety.
My name is Aradhya Karande. I study in class 7th. The components of air quality monitoring are first DC motor, second microcontroller, third sensor, fourth relay module, fifth temperature sensor. The work of components are first sensor. The MQ135 gas sensor can detect gases like ammonia, benzene, sulfur, CO2 and other harmful gases and smoke.
Second, DC motor. DC motor with a fan, just like a normal DC motor, but it has fan blades, rotate shaft, so that when the rotating shaft it moves air. Third, controller. The controller is a brain of system are responsible for making decision and commands to actuators.
Fourth, relay module. Relay module is a controller device that control high power device on and off signal. Temperature sensor. Temperature sensor is a device that measure the hot and cold air in the atmosphere.
Thank you.